Hi, this is Skip with Santa Barbara Stone Masters. Today's episode is actually applying sealer to various stones. Best demonstrated practice at Santa Barbara Stone Masters on anything we work where we're going to be sealing is we put a moisture meter down. You do not want the moisture content of the stone to interfere with the absorption rate of the sealer into the substrate. Moisture meter says both samples, my Carrara Marble and my Travertine, are under 2% moisture. We're good to seal. They're going to take the Dry Treat Stain Proof Plus, pour it into a tray, take a lamb's wool applicator, dab some on, and very methodically, evenly coat the stone. We go in both directions so that we are not missing any gaps. Within 20 minutes, just before the sealer has dried completely, the surface tension, we will reapply. It's a 2-coat process, and then we walk away. If it's a kitchen countertop, that's probably 90 minutes to do that. If it's 1,500 square feet of marble flooring, that could be a 2-hour, 2.5-hour job. What's in it for you? A 25-year manufacturer's warranty. That means that the stone that we just treated will remain water and oil repellent for 25 years as compared to an untreated surface. So once we've treated your stone, when can you go back to your normal life and see us out the door and say, thank you very much? About 2 hours. As soon as the surface dries, you can walk on that, you can replace some furniture. The Dry Treat product literally has about a 12-hour dry time where the surface or just under that surface is dry enough to walk on, but it takes 4 to 6 weeks to get and attain maximum water and or oil repellency. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you gain a nice perspective and see that this is a process that can get you some great benefits. Next time, we're going to be answering your most frequently asked recent questions. Thanks. See you next time.